Big move, big momentum. MMA is on fire right now. If you've been watching the market, you've felt the surge. Mixed Martial Arts Group Limited, ticker MMA, is lighting up headlines and investor screens. Today, we break down the reasons behind that breakout. The partnerships, the tech, the star power. Buckle up. This is one of those setups traders and long-term investors will want to know about. Mixed Martial Arts Group Limited is building more than fights and events. It's building a global platform for a massive, passionate fan base. What started as a specialized sports technology and media play has evolved into a multi-pronged business. SaaS for gyms, fan engagement platforms, training programs, and now blockchain and token initiatives. The company leverages partnerships, celebrity backers, and proprietary software like BJJ Link to turn fans into paying users and recurring revenue. In short, MMA is converting fandom into a scalable business model. That's a powerful story in today's markets. 1. Donald Trump Jr. joins as strategic advisor. This headline sent shockwaves through the market and pushed the stock higher. Having a high-profile strategic advisor amplifies brand visibility and opens doors to new networks and promotional channels. For a consumer-driven pop culture business like Mixed Martial Arts Group Limited, star power translates directly into attention, and attention means user acquisition. This move has already turned heads and sparked fresh momentum for MMA. 2. Major UFC gym deal and 45 new BJJ studios, MMA's BJJ Link platform. Securing large-scale integration with UFC gym and powering an expansion of 45 new Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu studios is a transformational commercial win. This is a classic distribution play. You build the software, then you supply a proven operator with the engine to scale. That partnership multiplies MMA's addressable market instantly. Recurring SaaS revenues from an expanding studio network create predictable growth, and franchise rollouts like this deliver both credibility and rapid adoption. 3. Blockchain-enabled platform, Solana testnet token, and NVIDIA AI integration. MMA announced a forward-looking tokenization and Web3 strategy, launching Solana testnet initiatives with plans for mainnet launch. Pairing token mechanics with AI-driven fan experiences is an innovative way to deepen engagement and monetize at scale. Imagine fans earning XP, staking tokens, and participating in rewards tied to events and training. This technology stack positions MMA as a next-gen fan economy builder. Investors love growth with a technology edge, and this one checks that box. Several clear growth drivers are powering MMA's outlook. First, the market is huge. Combat sports reach hundreds of millions of fans globally. MMA is carving a niche at the convergence of sports, fitness, and digital communities. Second, SaaS growth is real and accelerating. BJJ Link and related platforms have posted impressive subscription uptake, contributing to substantial annualized revenue growth. Third, strategic partnerships with UFC gym and other franchise operators provide instant scale and recurring contract value. Fourth, celebrity investors and advisors boost the brand, catalyzing both media and commercial opportunities. Finally, tokenization and AI initiatives open entirely new revenue channels, from digital collectibles and staking to gamified engagement and exclusive fan commerce. Pull it together and you've got a company turning attention into dollars. The market is beginning to price in not just current traction, but the future upside from platforms, partnerships, and technology-led monetization. Why are investors excited? Because MMA blends proven revenue engines with high upside innovation. You have recurring SaaS contracts from gyms and franchises. You have direct-to-consumer training programs and community monetization. Add elite-level strategic advisors and celebrity stakeholders who bring marketing power and credibility. And top it off with a Web3 roadmap that can create a stickier, more monetizable fan ecosystem. That mix, stable recurring revenue plus optionality from new tech, creates an exciting growth runway. Long-term, MMA can expand across 3 axes. Expand the number of gyms and studios using its tech, scale direct fan monetization via digital products and memberships, and unlock new financial models through tokenization and AI-driven experiences. Each axis reinforces the others. More users mean more data, which means better personalization, which means higher lifetime value. That virtuous cycle is the dream scenario for growth investors. This is an electrifying moment for Mixed Martial Arts Group Limited. The headlines aren't just noise, they're signals. MMA's strategic hires, major franchise deals, and bold technology roadmap are stacking up into a compelling growth narrative. If you're watching momentum plays or looking for innovation-driven growth stories, MMA deserves a spot on your radar. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this breakdown. Subscribe for weekly market deep dives. Share this video with a fellow investor who loves big growth stories. Follow the news, watch the partnerships, and keep MMA in your watch list. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.